From within an RStudio Cloud workspace, there are 4 possible roles that an individual can occupy. As the creator of the workspace, we are given the default status of administrator, and we cannot change that status. Administrators have full privileges within a workspace. Administrators can manage the workspace and all of the projects, including their own, and also view all of the projects within a workspace, including private projects. Moderators have all of the same privileges as an administrator, except that moderators cannot add or remove learners from the workspace. This means that moderators can manage all of the projects as well as view all of the projects within a workspace. Contributors can create and manage their own projects, and they can also view any projects that have been shared with them. As an administrator or moderator, we can also control whether or not contributors can see the names of other members in the workspace, make their projects visible to all members, and change project resources. Viewers have the most restrictive permissions and can only view projects that have been shared with the workspace or with them as an individual. As an administrator or moderator, we can also control whether or not a viewer can see the names of other members in the workspace.